Have you ever wondered why the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is so popular? In the next few seconds, you'll learn why photographers love this camera. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera is a fantastic choice for both beginners and enthusiasts looking to dive into the world of photography. Every shot is crisp and vibrant. One of the standout features of the Rebel T7 is its built-in Wi-Fi capability, which makes it incredibly convenient to share your photos and videos directly from the camera to your smartphone or tablet. The ISO range is impressive, handling low-light settings effortlessly. Autofocus is another standout feature. It captures moving subjects with precision. Additionally, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 boasts an easy-to-use interface with intuitive controls, making it accessible for beginners while still offering advanced features for those looking to experiment with manual settings. Overall, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera is an excellent investment for anyone looking to explore photography. Its combination of high-resolution imaging, versatile lens, and user-friendly features make it a top choice in its class. Whether you're capturing your travels, special events, or everyday moments, the Rebel T7 delivers exceptional quality and convenience. If you're ready to take your photography to the next level, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is a perfect choice. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a camera that offers incredible value and endless creative possibilities. This camera is definitely worth it. Like what you see? Subscribe to get update on anything credible gadget and electronics that is bet for you. Hit the like button if you found this useful.